Hello friends, welcome to Weekly New Tips channel. We'll be seeing how to raise responsible kids in this video. We can engage our kids in many ways, friends. You can engage our kids in making dishes, helping, sharing our works with them, and they love to do it. And we'll see how to engage, which we followed. We followed our mom's footsteps. She always prepares a scheduled timetable, getting up in the morning at 7 o'clock, doing exercise by 7:30, getting ready by 8 o'clock, having our breakfast, completing on time our homeworks, everything is scheduled. So children will also enjoy while doing that. So I would like to follow my mom's footsteps. And this is the schedule that we followed that I would like to tell you. And that is the first task in this schedule to our children, Dia Johanna and Kevin Jonathan, was getting ready before 7 a.m., brushing and taking bath and doing exercise, which carries 1 mark. And then breakfast plate empty, and that carries a mark. Then shoes in the shoe rack after they come from school carries 1 mark. Then bag in their bag racks in the evening, so that carries 1 mark. Lunch, snack box for washing, then clothes in washing machine in the evening, then freshening up before 4:30 p.m. Eating snacks and drinking milk by 4:45 p.m. after they come home. Back home by 6:15 from park. Leaving for tuition and making their dinner plate empty. Brushing at night carries a mark. Arranging their books according to the timetable and their diaries to be signed, and we'll pray together and then sleep by 10 p.m. All these carries one mark. And after allotting their marks every day, we used to give them a gift at the end of the month. So every point has different marks. If they have 15 out of 15, 20 marks. If they have 11, 20 rupees. And if they have 11 to 14 points, they'll have 10 rupees. And if they have the points from 8 to 10, they'll be given 5 rupees. So based on which they work and they make themselves responsible, so that their marks are good, their points are good, and their gift pack will be ready at the end of the month for the amount they get. This is how we engage our children, and we try to make them better every day. So this is actually their attitudinal change. We are not segregating them or discriminating them as boy, as girl. Together they share their works in sweeping, in cleaning dishes, in washing clothes, in by taking walk with our uh, dogs Simba and Sana. Everything will be done by both of them, equally shared. So we are not trying to give them any discrimination. And every month they used to get their snack box, their tiffin box, their bags, their lovely lipsticks, etc., etc. So they get a reward at the end of the month after following all these every day. So this is how we engage our children. You too can try, and this is a suggestion given by us, so that we can engage our children somehow to make them better citizens. And you can see some of the clippings here helping mom in making a cake, rava pudding. Here you can see my son cooking chapatis, making chapatis, and this is how we make our broomsticks, and together as a family. Here is my daughter making chapati, though it is heavy for her. It is so heavy, but still she tries to make herself responsible, and her attitude is lovely here. But you can see some atta in her chin and in her mouth. She takes a little while preparing the dough. And sometimes we say her so naughty. She says in her mind so tasty, and she is little naughty here. And you can see every day they make they share the work, so our works does not seem heavy. We equally share and do, and we engage our children in a better way. They make biscuits, evening snacks, everything they do. And also they take Simba and Sana for a walk. So hope you would have enjoyed. Thanks for watching the video.